Hey there, I'm Lydia Abbott, founder of Workflow Magic and a Monday.com Platinum partner. If you're tired of manually entering invoice data into your system, this one's for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate invoice tracking inside of Monday, using AI to extract names and amounts directly from your uploaded invoices. Here's my custom invoice tracker board with two simple groups: new invoices and past invoices. I've added columns for date submitted, files that we're going to upload the invoice to, full name, and amount. There's also a sample template column, but that's optional, just for reference. Now for the fun part. When I upload a PDF invoice, AI automatically reads the file and pulls the full name into its column. To set this up, we'll go to the full name column, click Autofill With AI, Customize, choose the file column as your source, and use this prompt. Extract the full name. Hit save and you're done. Same idea here. For the amount column, I tell AI exactly what I need using a prompt like extract the gross amount including taxes and decimals from the invoice PDF. It pulls the total from the right section of the invoice without touching anything else. Now I'm going to show you a bonus feature, Auto-populate date submitted. And just to round it out, I added a bonus automation that autofills the date submitted every time a file is uploaded, so you never miss a beat. That's it. Upload your invoice and Monday AI does the rest, extracting full name and amount with no manual input. Want to build smarter systems like this for your team? Book a free discovery call with me below and let's make magic happen.